How to load a game in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Whether you are returning to finish a contract or want to retry a mission with a different approach, loading a saved game in Hitman Blood Money Reprisal is quick and easy. First of all, launch the Hitman Blood Money Reprisal on your device and wait for the main menu to appear, which is this menu over here. Once you're inside, go to the left inside menu and click on Load, and you'll be able to see your saved files. Scroll through the list if needed to find the save you want, and tap on one of your saves and click on Load at the bottom right. Now click on the Continue button from the top and you'll be able to load your mission. Loading a saved game is a great way to pick up where you left off or experiment with new strategies without starting over. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.